Hi everyone, my name is Vilma and in this video tutorial I will explain how to use some of the tools of WiziQ once you have a live online class. So to start, we need to click here and then we'll come to a new window. Yeah, it may take a few seconds to open. There it is. So we're starting our live online class, and as you can see we have some tools that we can use during our presentation. Yeah, starting from the left we have a camera. I have not turned it on so you cannot see my picture there, but you can activate it by clicking here. Then you can also use this area to start chatting with the participants in your meeting. Yeah. On the top we have a microphone. You can mute your microphone and you can also turn it on. The camera again, you can mute and, well, not mute, you can turn off your camera and turn on it. You also have this option that says timer. It shows the time you have for the session. So now I have 32 minutes and 30 seconds. We also have this polling, which we can use while you are presenting a topic, for example. We have also this option that says change layout. When we click here, we have a completely different layout. And to change it, we go again to this option that says layout change. Click there and we have now a different one. And if we click again in this layout, we come back to the first presentation layout we had. We also have this option that says screen share. Yeah, before screen sharing you need to download an application. So when you click there, it says that we have to download an extension, it says. So you cannot do it without downloading this extension. Then we have this one that shows people in the meeting. If I click there, we will see that we have 0 people online because I'm the only one in this course. And this last option says notifications to get any announcements or something. So you can see this is how you can use these tools while having an online meeting. And this will be the main area where you will present your content when you share your screen. So that's all. Thanks for watching.